Hi, I'm Lindsay Stevenson, and I thank you for coming to observe my class today. I'm glad to have you. I thought that I would go ahead and record to explain to you what we've done to prepare for this. So what you're observing today is actually the last day of a week long of preparation. So Monday and Tuesday, my students were given packets of 9 articles that had to do with technology and society. This complements our Fahrenheit 451 unit. So they read those, and I gave them 2 days of class time to read those so that I'd be assured that they had read something. So they had 2 class days to read those. They also were assigned video homework, which as you go through, you'll see they had video homework that was watch the video, summarize the skills. It was on how to write the intro, the background, the opposition, how to embed their quotes. So that's what they did outside of class. That was the flipped piece. And then on block day, they came in and they weren't quite sure who was going to be in their group or how it was going to work, but they sat at computers. Before they came in, I, on my Google Drive, set up, made copies for 7 groups for every hour, approximately. Might be 6 groups in 1 hour. And I set up a link of the template for them. And then I made a spreadsheet with all of their names using Alice Keeler's add-on for Google, which is Group Maker. So that made my groups and set them up and organized them quickly and easily. Then I went in and pasted in all the links. So when they opened up the document, they just saw their links. And so this is what it looks like. When they open it up, they were told to go to their hour and click on their hour, and then they have all of the links for the day, or all the links I alphabetized them by first name so they didn't know who was going to be in their group, and when they click on their group, it goes right into their template, and one of the templates would look like this. So as they opened their template, they were to put their names in the box, and then they had 4 boxes with themes, main ideas from their nonfiction packets, so main ideas. Then they had to find 2 pieces of evidence and color code them according to their name. So I can tell here that everything in maroon is something that Emma wrote. So I can go through and see what Emma wrote. They then started working on their assertion paragraphs. Each box correlates with one assertion paragraph. So they decided by using the chat feature on their document who was going to write about each box. They chose 2 of the best quotes from those boxes, and then they put them in under the appropriate assertion paragraph. Now, today, what you're going to see is today they are to decide who's writing the introduction, who's writing the background, who's writing the opposition, who's writing the conclusion. Those are the 4 pieces of the paragraph that are left to be created. These videos were homework except for the conclusion. So I have a conclusion video also on my blend space. Everything is designed on the blend space. You also have this link as you walk around with your QR codes today. So they can watch how to write a body paragraph if they don't remember that from last week. Last week we were also writing assertion paragraphs. They can how to do their background paragraph, their conclusion, and their rubric. Everything's in one spot using blend space. So I hope this gives you a little background, and please feel free to put in any questions to me that you have as you walk around and look today. Thank you.